In this week's music journal for pre-K through first grade, we will be drawing lines and triangles, and then we will draw a special card using what we have practiced.
Hi Travis Tigers, this is the music teacher, Mrs. Lovestrand Audinati. Most of my students call me Mrs. Lovestrand. So here's an example of my list of what I do during music class. In the music journal portion, we have been practicing lines, forwards, backwards, and upside down. And then we practice drawing letters. So here's an example of a kinder student who was drawing T's the first week that they arrived in music class. This is the second week. We drew T's and then we formed stick people. This is the third week. You can see right away the improvement in 3 weeks of the students' understanding of drawing letters. Now, I know that students are doing this in their regular classes as well. Here's week 3. You can see the incredible improvement in 3 weeks. Now, the other thing that we do in music class, after we practice our penmanship, we create a card. Okay, so you can see in this picture, the children are using lines to draw their image. And then using letters, the letter V and the letter M, we draw a heart. And then we open our little card book and we write a message inside. And then the students are encouraged to give their card to someone in their family. Let's practice our lesson for this week. Okay, so let's practice the lines and the shapes that we're going to use in our music journal exercise. We're going to be drawing triangles. So let's practice drawing our lines at an angle like this. Okay? Make sure you use your pencil grip. Your hand is on the table and you're just dragging the pencil down with your fingers. You don't have to draw your lines real close together. Okay, now let's draw our lines like this. Backwards in the opposite angle. Using the crocodile grip, your fingers drag the pencil down. Okay, now let's just draw some lines straight across, because this is the line at the bottom of the triangle. And then how about we try drawing the lines backwards, going the opposite direction. See, your fingers drag, and then when you need to move your hand, you just move your hand over. Now let's draw some triangles. And if you think you made a mistake, don't erase it. Just do it again. Don't waste your eraser. This is a practice paper. And I've been having the children repeat this after me. Practice makes perfect. Backwards, forwards, upside down. I have my own style. Remember, your triangle might not look exactly like mine, and that's okay. If I can look at it and I know what it is, it's good. Everyone has their own style. Okay? So, these are basically the shapes that we're going to use to make our card. In music class, I used the printing paper. We fold it in half and we draw our picture on the front. So, the Christmas season is coming up, so let's draw a Christmas tree. Draw a triangle. Put a square at the bottom. This is the trunk of the tree. I'm going to color it in. Now I'm going to draw some curved lines, but 2. Okay? This is the garland that's going around the tree, or the tinsel. Then I'm going to draw circles for the Christmas ornaments. You can put your Christmas ornaments wherever you want. Now I'm going to draw the star out of lines. Draw the letter T and then put an X in the middle. And we can even decorate our star more by drawing little circles at the ends of the lines. Now it looks like a snowflake. And then we can put little lines like this, like the letter T, and it looks like a little snowflake up there on top of the tree. Now, we don't want the tree floating in the air, so we're gonna sketch the ground. Now look how I'm drawing the ground. I'm just scribbling, okay? I'm sketching. Now, let's draw a Christmas present under the tree. We're gonna draw a square and a plus sign, or the letter T, and then I'm gonna put an M on top, and there's my Christmas package. Now I'm gonna draw a picture of me. Okay, this is me when I was a little kid. Put some hair on my head. And I'll draw some clothes right over my stick person. Circles for hands. And I'm gonna draw my mother. You could draw your dad, you could draw your grandma, whoever you want. I'm going to make a skirt like this and draw the clothes right on top. So it looks like she's wearing a dress. Well, her neck's a little long. Now I'm going to draw a little present here because I'm going to give my mom a present, or maybe she's giving it to me. And then I'll draw a little heart. So draw the letter V and an M on top, and there you have a heart. On the inside, we're going to write a message. I love, there's your letter V and the M, you. Okay, and there's your message. Make sure you sign your name and give your card to someone you love. Good job.